Hey guys, good night, good night, good night. I'm Jason from the ABCs of Personal Development. Also, I am your health advisor from a holistic standpoint, also your mental and physical fitness trainer. And I've started a new initiative this weekend since that I was out of my filter tea, and it took me like forever to get it. I come to a point where I wanted to go to the bathroom and I couldn't pass properly. I had a problem sitting on the toilet for like a long time, and it's been 5 months since I've been using the filter tea. I work out every day, almost. I went like 20 days straight, non-stop without working out. Take like 4 days off in the past 2 months, but I still had almost like I have like the six pack, but still have a big stomach, you know, and that's because the colon is full and everything else is backing up also from the water and other stuff. But this weekend I started something new where I was walking around to the businesses, getting people on board. My goal is to help about in the Bahamas to help about 100 persons who have problems with passing, going to the restroom. Also, persons who just want to lose a few pounds on their stomach in the next few coming days. But I'm going to show you really quick how to make the tea. Yeah, I just on wrapping my stuff. I got myself some Gano as well. Also about 100 packets of tea. But here is what we do. I have it's already boiling. It's on the stove, so a second as I undo this thing and okay. It's my old big pot. Just the water come to a complete boil. Guys, you're turning it off pretty much. Unwrap your pack of the filter tea and wrap it. 2 quick steps. First, boil the water, bring it to complete boil. Okay, 1 big tea bag in it. You just put it in there. Okay, and just let it set. The package would tell you to let it sit for about 4 to 5 hours. I do mine for 12 hours. Reason being I do it for 12 hours is because the longer it's steeped, the stronger it will become. Now here's the situation. I get 1 gallon of water. Okay, I pour about 3/4 into the pot, bring it to a complete boil, and once it's sitting steep for the next 12 hours, which is in the morning, then I'm going to pour it back into the rest of this, which is going to make my gallon. That would work the magic. So every morning I would wake up and warm it. See my little thing here? Put it inside there, but an 8 ounce glass. 8 ounces. You can either get a regular glass, a little 8 ounce cup, or you can just use something something that has the measuring thing on it, doing ounces. Naturally, you should drink 8 ounce glass of water per day. So 2 8 ounce glass of it will do good. If you can drink 3, super better for you. And what it would do is in the next 5 days, trust me, 5 days, you would experience at least about 5 to 6 pounds. That's just going to come from your stomach area. Nowhere else in your body, just your stomach. Or you're going to lose about 2 to 3 inches within your waist. All right? And for me, when I use the Gano with it, what it does is it help clean out my system, give me a better clean, purify my blood a lot faster. Whatever's going on wrong, it's going to help correct that, and it's going to give me an overall body health, sleep, and everything like that. So once again, I'm sharing a video. Someone might be connected to you who might need some filter tea, who have little simple complications like how I'm, or if you're working out and you notice that the stubborn belly is still hanging around, that's because your colon and other stuff need to be clean, and that's exactly what this filter tea does. So just hit me up online. I would give you the link so you can actually get yours. For those of you here in the Bahamas, if you don't want to go online, I could come and deliver yours. And remember, over the next 10 days, I'm trying to find 100 persons. Okay, today I have 15. That this week I'm gonna just remind them to drink their 2 cups and just track their process the progress through the process for the next 6 days. Okay. So once again, share the broadcast. Hit me up. Leave it right down below in the text if you need yours or you need information on how you can get yours. All right. Once again, I'm Jason, your health advisor from a holistic standpoint. Also, your mental and physical fitness trainer. Have a blessed night.